Hi, this is Michael Frontera, Sales Consultant with Boomi, and over the next few minutes I'll demonstrate a simple integration between RightNow and Jira. Now, without an integration between these two applications, a customer service rep would create an incident and then somehow have to notify the development team about the potential bug. So the development team would then have to enter in the same data into Jira, and then as the development team tracked the resolution of that bug, those status updates would have to be communicated back to the customer service rep, who would then update the corresponding incident in RightNow. But through the use of a simple bidirectional integration and Boomi Atomsphere, you can do two things. One, as the incident is created in RightNow, you can automatically create a corresponding issue in Jira. And as the status updates are recorded on the issue, those updates can automatically be populated in the corresponding RightNow incident. So let's take a look at that in real time. In RightNow, I've created a sample incident, and it's key here to change the issue type to bug, as this is what will trigger Boomi to pick up this incident and create a new issue over in Jira. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to run this sample integration in test mode, and that means I can manually execute it. Normally you would set it to run on a certain schedule or have it triggered in real time from RightNow via web services. Notice the integration queried RightNow. It checked to see if there was already an existing issue. It created a new issue, and then it took the information from that issue, such as the Jira issue key and a link to the issue, and populated them back on the RightNow incident. Let's take a look at that. We'll refresh the incident in RightNow, and as you can see, the issue key is populated from Jira. That's the reference number for the Jira issue, RN40, and a link that links you directly to that issue in Jira is also populated on the incident. Let's take a look in Jira. I'll refresh my view. You'll see that there is one new incident created. Notice the incident reference number is populated right on the Jira issue, and here's the Jira issue key, RN40. Now, if I were to make an update to the Jira issue, let's say I close the issue, I have resolved the issue, it's fixed. Notice the status is now closed fixed. And then I go to Boomi and I execute the integration process that will query Jira. It'll pick up that new closed issue. It'll check for the matching incident inside of RightNow, and then it'll update the RightNow incident with the new Jira status, which is closed fixed. So let's take a look at that. We'll refresh the RightNow incident one more time. Notice the Jira issue resolution is set to closed fixed. So a simple yet very powerful integration. Let's take a look at the inside of Boomi. A couple of the process shapes that make this very simple to configure are one, the connectors. These are connectors that leverage the APIs for both RightNow and Jira. In fact, we have over 60 pre-built connectors. Some are branded connectors like the Jira connector and the RightNow connector, and others are generic connectors that allow you to use communication protocols like FTP or ODBC, etc. So once I have the connections to both of the applications that allow me to get data in and out of those applications, I would use a process map to map the values from one application to the other. So on the left, I've got the incident record structure, and on the right, I have the issue record structure, and I can simply just drag and drop to map the data values from one application to the other. Now, if I needed to do something a little more complicated, like do some type of string transformation, I have over 50 pre-configured transformations like string functions, numeric functions, date functions. I can even do custom scripting in JavaScript or Groovy if necessary to transform my data. So pretty simple and straightforward. If you have any questions or need more information, go to boomi.com, BOOMI.com. My name is Michael Frontera, sales consultant with Boomi. Thank you very much.